Hello, and welcome to another tutorial for VauBot. In this video, we will show you how to create persistent menu for Instagram DM, as well as for Facebook Messenger. So let's dive into the process. Click on the Bot Manager button from the navigation menu on the left side. First we will create for Instagram, so make sure to click this button and change to Instagram Business Accounts. Then choose Instagram Business Account. Then scroll down and click on Persistent Menu Settings button. And then click on Create Persistent Menu button. Take note that you can create different persistent menu for different locale. Now we will create for default. Moving forward, let's add some menu items. For example, on our first item we will let our users know opening and closing time. Here we have two options for a reply type, web URL or postback reply. We will go with the postback. And here we can select any previously created postback from drop-down list, or we can create a new one by clicking on Add button. Next, give a name for a template. Once you have typed the name, postback ID will be filled automatically. Below you can choose to add sequence campaign if you have any, and you can add labels also. Now below let's choose the reply type. Here we have many options to choose from, like in the bot flow. We will go with the text reply. And here below we will write our reply. You can also include variable user full name. And here below you can add more replies if you want. Once you are done, click Submit button, and then close and refresh list. That's it, we have created first menu item. The same way we will create another one. And lastly, let's create the third menu item with web URL reply type. Here we will type URL from our e-commerce page, so when they click on the button they will be redirected to our e-commerce store. Now, once we have created all menu items we need to publish this persistent menu. To do that click on the option button and then on Publish Persistent Menu button. That's it. Now let's see how this persistent menu actually works on Instagram Business Account. Persistent menu is right here. Great, everything works as expected. Now let's create persistent menu for Facebook page. Make sure to click this button to change on Facebook. Once you chose Facebook page, scroll down and click on Persistent Menu Settings. And then click on Create Persistent Menu button. Let's keep locale option on default. Here we have an option to disable composer input. If we disable this option, users won't be able to type any message to your messenger. They can only click on Get Started button or persistent menu item to start a conversation and just follow bot's reply. If you want you can do that, but for now we are not going to disable composer input, so we will keep it no. Now, we will create persistent menu items the same way we have created for Instagram. Once you have created all menu items, click on Submit button. And again, don't forget to publish persistent menu because otherwise it won't be active. Now let's see how it actually works on Facebook. Persistent menu is right there. Great, everything works as expected. That's it for this tutorial, see you in the next one.